Yes, very much. Very much.
Ralphie, you're waiting. Come on, Mom. Right now.
My feet began to sweat as those two fluffy little bunnies with the blue button eyes stared sappily up at me.
Come down here, sweating together.
I just hoped that Flick would never spot him, as the word of this humiliation could easily make life at Warren G. Harding School a veritable hell.
Oh. That is the most precious thing I've ever seen in my life.
You look like a D-ring.
It does, too. You look like a pink nightmare. You don't have to worry now. You want to take it off? Let's get to it. Take it off.
All right, you'll only wear it when Aunt Clara doesn't go on it.
Take it off!